Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the security and privacy. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down and enter more security and privacy. Scroll down a little bit again to the security section and enter encryption and credentials. And here, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. So let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.